Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to show or hide grid lines in Excel. So guys, if you want to show or hide grid lines in Excel, so very easy. Firstly, open Excel. After, click on views, and if you want to hide, so uncheck this box. That is. And if you want to show, so click on view. After, check this box. That is. And if you want to hide, so click on view. After, click on uncheck this box. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.